today I'm here to explain about these questions. But actually, I've explained about what limits are. So if you have no idea about this question, please check out my previous videos first. Okay? So let's get started. So to find limit as x approaches to, you have to find two things. First one is when x approaches to from left side, and second one you have to find as x approaches to from right side. So let's find it. But actually in this case you don't have any graph, so what you have to do is just plug in 2 into x. So let's do it. 2 times 2 cubed, which is 8, negative 4 plus 4 over square root of 2 plus 2. And it's going to be same. 2 times 8, negative 4 plus 4 over square root of 4. Which is 16 negative over 2, which is 8. And this one is 8 as well. So if these, the value of these correspond, the answer is going to be this number, which is 8. Okay, so actually it looks like you don't need to do like these two things, but it's going to be so important. So I recommend you to do find limit x approaches to from left side and right side, and you have to make sure if these values are same. If these values are not same, you have to answer like D and E doesn't exist. But like I said, in this case it corresponded, so the answer is going to be just 8. Okay, the next one, this one is a little bit tricky. Okay, sorry. So this one is limit x up as x approaches negative 2. So what's the problem? The problem is if you plug in negative 2 here, denominator is going to be 0, because negative 2 plus 2 is going to be 0. But you know, in mathematics, denominator cannot be 0. So the answer doesn't exist? Actually, no. That's because you can factor the numerator. Then it's going to be x plus 2, x squared negative 4x plus 2. Therefore, no, negative 2x. Plus 4, like this, over x plus 2. Then you can just cancel out limit x as x approaches negative 2, x squared negative 2x plus 4. So you are going to just plug in negative 2 into x, then 4 plus 4 plus 4, which is, the answer is going to be 16. That's it. But if you can't cancel out, the answer is going to be just D and E doesn't exist. But in this case, you can, if you take a look at closer, you can actually cancel out. Then you can find the value. Okay, and in this case I didn't do that, but it's better for you to find limit x approaches to from right side and from left side in case. Okay, that's all.